Are you looking for a way to make money online? Can you see this money? Let's count together. This is 1,000. This is 2,000. This is 3,000. This is 4,000. This is 500. I made this money completely from online. So you may ask, what did I use to make this money? There is a secret website which I'm going to share with you right here in this video, and I want you guys to try and also get the exactly same results, and I want you guys to start making money immediately after watching this video. So what I want you to do, don't skip this video, don't wipe this video, stay and watch this video from the beginning of this video to the end, so that you can be able to understand the step-by-step process, what I'm going to teach you one by one, so that you can make this money. I want you guys to get the exactly same result that I'm getting, that I'm making this money every single day and every single week, thousands of naira every single week. So don't go anywhere, sit down and watch. I'll be right back. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Father Joe, and what I do on this channel is that I teach people how to grow their YouTube channel and also make money online. I know for sure you love this kind of content. Please go down below and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn on that bell notification so that YouTube will be sending you an alert telling you that I have uploaded a brand new video and you'll be the first to watch. I will drop a link down below in the description of this video. So what you need to do is to click the link after watching the entire of this video. After watching this video, click the link only when you are new to OPay. If you don't have an account with OPay before, you are free to click the link. But if you have an account with OPay before, there's no need for you to click the link. Just watch this video. I'm going to tell you what you need to do in order for you to make thousands of money every single day or week. You're going to do a referral. So this is completely a referral method. I made all of this money completely from referral. So that is exactly how the magic works. And if you're new to OPay, when you click the link and sign up, you're going to earn 1,200 naira. Anyway, you may think this is a fraud. OPay is licensed by the CBN. Then after you sign up using my link, you get 1,200 naira after you deposit. Listen carefully. After you deposit 1,000 naira, when you sign in, you need to deposit 1,000 naira. When once you deposit 1,000 naira, OPay will see you as an active user of the account, so they will give you 1,200 naira instantly. I am the one referring you. I will get 800. So that is exactly how the magic works. So for those who have an account already, so here is what you need to do in order for you to start making money with OPay. Let me go to my screen now and share with you what you need to do in order for you to start making money. So right here, this is my dashboard of my OPay account. Can you see OPay is a mobile money operator? So they are also selling airtime, buy data. There are so many things that you can do here, and one thing about this OPay is that all these things is for free. They will not charge you for transfer here is free. Buying data here, they will not charge you enough. They have cash back. That means if you buy data, take for example, you buy data of 1,000, you will get a cash back. So let me go down and show you guys how you can actually make money with OPay. So this is the place that we are looking for, which is refer and earn, right? Refer and earn 800 naira cashback per referral. That means if I refer you to click on my link and register and log into OPay, once you log into OPay will give you 1,200 naira as a welcome bonus. So that is what you'll be doing in order for you to make this money. Okay, let me go to another page where I'm going to show you where to click and copy your link and start sharing your link either in Facebook. You can use social media to share your link, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or you can even see your friend on the road and just start telling him OPay is good, OPay is this, OPay is that. And when you register using your link, you will get a commission of 800 naira. Him that is signing up using your link will get 1,200 naira. So that is so good. I love this so much. I've been using this to make a lot of money. So let me show you guys where to copy the link. Just go down. Can you see refer and earn? Just click refer and earn. Okay, so can you see here, earn money, refer and earn, invite one new user, get 800 naira. Your friend can get 1,200 naira welcome bonus. So when you click here, earn 800, the link will come out. Let me show you. Click here. When you click, can you see? Just copy the link
and start sharing. You can even share it to WhatsApp. Can you see it to WhatsApp, Facebook, SMS? There are so many things that you can do, or just click more and copy the link, right? When once your friend or someone that you never know before click and sign up using your link, you will get 800 naira instantly. So that is how the magic and the platform works. So let me know all your questions in the comment section. I am here to answer it all. So see you guys in my next video, and bye for now. I love you all.